Take a look at this channel. Cinematic quality, professional consistency, and every single frame was generated by AI. But here's the real shocker. This channel pulls in nearly $12,000 every single month, and they're doing it with just 65,000 subscribers. Proof that you don't need millions of followers to build a massive income stream. Today at RAI, I'm handing you the exact blueprint to replicate these results. No cameras, no fluff, just pure strategy. Let's dive in. Let's get into the practical application. Right here is the master file containing all the proven, ready-to-use templates. Don't worry about writing these from scratch. I'll leave the direct download link in the description so you can start immediately. The first step is incredibly simple. We select our first element from the list, the one that fits our video idea, and paste it right into its designated bracket in the template. Following the exact same process, we choose our second element or effect and paste it into the next slot. This modular system guarantees you have endless variations for your future videos. Now our custom template is fully built and ready to go. We highlight the entire text block and copy it so we can move to the most important step in the workflow. We head straight over to ChatGPT, paste our customized text right here, and hit send to let the AI do all the heavy lifting for us. Look at the precision of this output. The system analyzed our idea and professionally split it into two distinct parts, a highly detailed image prompt and a specific video animation prompt. To execute this properly, we are going to start by highlighting and copying only the first prompt, the one specifically tailored for image creation. And we head directly over to the Whisk platform to turn these words into a stunning, high-quality cinematic image. Once we're on the Whisk website, we head straight to the prompt box and paste our image template. Remember, precision at this stage is what guarantees realistic details in your final result. Next, we choose the appropriate image size or aspect ratio. If you're targeting shorts or reels, go for the vertical format. Setting this correctly now saves you a lot of time during editing later. Hit the start button and the process is underway. Right now, the engine is analyzing the lighting, shadows, and textures based on the precise description we provided. And there it is! The site has generated two high-quality options. These images look cinematic, as if they were captured with a professional camera. Pick the best one and download it to your device. Now that the image is ready, it's time for the real magic. Head over to the Flow website, the platform that will turn this static image into a living, breathing cinematic scene. Click the upload icon and select the image we just got from Whisk. Give it a few seconds to complete the upload so the system can recognize all the details in the scene. While that's uploading, let's quickly jump back and copy the video template. This text defines the motion path and the intensity of the shattering or movement we want. Return to the Flow website and paste the video template into the description box. Combining your image with this specific prompt is the secret to making your videos go viral. Final step. Hit the process button. Generation is in progress, and in just a few moments, your professional video will be ready to post and start racking up thousands of views. And here is the final reveal. Just look at that.
Hold the line. Brace for impact. Charge! For the Empress!
A professional, high-fidelity video with fluid motion and stunning details. This is the exact level of quality that will set your channel apart and keep your audience hooked. To show you how scalable this is, I repeated the exact same process for another object.
Brace! Steady your ranks! Prepare for the attack! Incoming! Charge! For the realm! Charge!
As you can see, the results remain consistently high-end. This workflow allows you to pump out massive amounts of viral content at lightning speed. That wraps up today's training. By mastering this blueprint, you've just put yourself ahead of 90% of creators out there. If this strategy sparked new ideas for you, Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our AI for more exclusive viral tactics. Don't just watch, go out there and create. I'll see you in the next one.